So first of all, congratulations on solving the paper. How are you feeling now? Better? Yes. Those who are watching this video, don't open this video unless you have solved first model paper. Right? So this video is 110% for discussion. This session is 110% for only discussion of this model paper. Nothing else. How many of you feel you have got out of out? Okay, means all three questions, only three questions are there. All three out of three are correct. How many of you have got confidence? No? Okay, two out of three. Two would be correct. Okay, one out of three at least. Okay, let's see what is your status. So I had earlier told you that you will exchange the papers, but better you keep your paper with yourself, evaluate to the extent of 100%, and then on some test check basis, I'll see some papers. Okay, immediately I want to see some papers, like how you have done. If possible, take a different color pen and check your paper. If you don't have different color pen, if you have pencil, then check with pencil. But if you have solved with blue, then don't check with blue, check with black. If you have solved with black, check with blue, red, pink, whatever, green. Got my instruction? See to it that I understand your mistakes immediately. Okay. So first question. It was I had told you 20 marks, but finally I conducted 15 marks only. Gave you 5 discount. See. First question was of Elephant Limited. These are all unique questions. You will not find them anywhere. They have directly come from my mind. So Elephant Limited sold a machine quoting price of 40 lakhs to Surya Limited. Your starting point was 40 lakhs. The above price and all other given amounts are excluding GST. I have made it clear. It is excluding GST at 18% unless mentioned otherwise. I am very specific, unless mentioned otherwise. Apart from quoted price, amount of 5 lakh is also recovered. I am saying apart from quoted price, means over and above, is recovered towards packing and transport. So what will you do? You must have added. So how many of you have added? Nice. 15 to C. How many of you have written 15 to C note? Elephant Limited requested Surya Limited to pay 1 lakh on its behalf towards insurance premium which was done by Surya Limited. What did you do? Add. Did you add this 1 lakh? How many of you added 1 lakh? As per 15 to B. Price of 40 lakhs. So what you will understand on the way, the marking scheme also. The price of 40 lakhs is after central government subsidy. So I have told you very specifically, it is after subtracting CG subsidy of 10 lakhs. So nothing is to be done with 10 lakhs. Did anyone by mistake add 10 lakh? An NGO subsidy of 5 lakh. Did you add NGO subsidy? 15 to E. Since there was delay in payment, Surya Limited was asked to pay interest of 1 lakh. It paid the same, but refused to pay any separate GST. Refused to pay any separate GST means 1 lakh is including GST. So did you do 1 lakh is equal to 118? So 100 is how much? See, I told you na that it paid the same but refused to pay any separate GST. Means 1 lakh is including GST. Means 1 lakh is including GST. So basically, I am sure you must have added 15 to D 1 lakh. Some of you would have added entire 1 lakh. Anyone who added entire 1 lakh? Okay. Otherwise, correctly what you should have added is 84,746. So how many of you added 84,746? Very good. 745, 746. That's fine. So how many of you got final answer correct? 51 lakh 84,746. Very good. So if your final answer is correct, pay attention. I can see someone talking. Pay attention. Second last bench. You have got too excited. If if your final answer is correct and if you have written note of 15.1, check, have you written note of 15.1? Typical note. Second, have you written note of 15.2C? Incidental expenses. Third, have you written note of 15.2B? 15.2B is what? 15.2B is that note of amount incurred by recipient of supply on behalf of supplier. And then have you written note of 15.2E and 15.2D? If everything is correct, means your answer is 51, 84, 746, and also you have written 5 out of 5 notes. Then give yourself 5 out of 5. Then give yourself 5 out of 5. Listen to this marking scheme properly. So anyone with 5 out of 5, very good. Any one note missing? Any one note missing? If any one note is missing, give 4 out of 5. Huh? Clause is not written. That's fine. Interest for delayed payment is wrong, and 15 one note is not written. Give yourself 3 marks. Anyone has any doubt how many marks you should get? Yes, tell me. You have? Acha, instead of this 84 4 746, you have written 1 lakh. Give give yourself like 3 marks. Clear? So incorrect answer, 1 mistake. Incorrect answer, 1 mistake, 3 marks. Correct answer, all notes written, 5 out of 5. Shall we go ahead? Next, second, and then one who get like highest marks submit the papers to me. I will verify it and then we'll go ahead. I'll tell you what to do. Second, Mrs. Tamanna lets out banquet hall for organizing various events. She gives you following information for transaction with Mr. Arvind. He paid advance of 1 lakh for booking banquet hall on 14th March. Event was held in banquet hall on 6th June and she raised invoice on 1st July. Is invoice raised within time? Yes or no? Invoice is raised within time. So what is the time of supply? Time of supply is date of issue of invoice or the last date. Sorry, date of issue of invoice or date of receipt of payment, whichever is earlier. That is 1st July, or for advance it will be 1 lakh. For advance of 1 lakh it will be 14th March. So for 1 lakh it is 14th March, and for balance 2 lakh, for balance 2 lakh it is 1st July. Did you get it? So see, for first 1 lakh it is 14th March, for balance 2 lakh it is 1st July. How many of you got this correct? 100% with provision. Then give yourself 2.5. Not at all. Not done for 1 lakh means you did only one. Acha. Then give yourself 1 mark. Huh? Give yourself 1 mark. Because in short, you went wrong in one. Provision you have not written. Not written provision. Properly not written. 2 marks. Give yourself 2 marks. Because I am coming to next sub question. Would your answer change if instead of 1st July, she makes invoice on 15th July? If she makes invoice on 15th July, that is not within, pay attention, that is not within 1 month, then time of supply would be, advance it will not change. For advance it will be 14th March. But for balance 2 lakh rupees, it will be date of provision of service. I hope all of you are getting. Invoice is not issued within 30 days. So time of supply will be date of provision of service or date of receipt of payment, whichever is earlier. So can you tell me what happened with this? How many of you? Huh? What same? That same mistake. Anyone got whole question correct? No, but you told me you did one mistake. Huh? Which? Acha. So this way 2.5, 2.5. Very simple question. Next. Mr. Gajanan removed goods to be sold. I hope you got it. Any doubt in earlier question? It was similar, na? Any doubt you please ask. Anyone any doubt in earlier question? There were two questions I had asked you, giving same set of data. Fine. Last one. Gajanan removed goods to be sold to Shankar for 20 lakhs on 3rd March. This was against PO. I am not bothered because we are talking about goods. Isn't it? We are talking about goods. So 12, we want time of supply. So 12 2. He removed the goods on 3rd March. Very important. This was against PO. PO date is not important. He made invoice for the same on 10th March. So time of supply for 20 lakh rupees will be date of issue of invoice. That is 10th March or last date when invoice should have been issued. That is 3rd March, whichever is earlier. So for 20 lakhs, it should be 3rd March. How many of you got 3rd March for 20 lakhs? Very good. You should have written explanation of 12 2 and then you should have written section 31's explanation in one sentence, and then you should have come to conclusion that it is 10th March date of issue of invoice or 3rd March last date when invoice should have been issued. So your final answer was 3rd March. And against this transaction credit period was 1 month. Shankar made a delay in paying Mr. Gajanan. He paid on 3rd May. Hence, as demanded along with payment of 20 lakhs, he also paid interest of 20,000. So for interest of 20,000, did you write that as per 12.6? Time of supplies, date of receipt of such additional consideration, that is 3rd May. So did you get for 20,000 3rd May? If you have done both things correct, give yourself 5 out of 5. If you have done only first one correct, give 3. If you have done only second one correct, give 2. If you have done third one correct without proper explanation, give 2 out of 3. So please let me know your marks. Okay. I hope those watching recordings have also covered this paper well. If any doubt, let me know afterwards.